Kumsiban taban Kyntiew ki Samla kan thai ki badan ya kasab ban pen idur Bhabriew ka Miss Meghalaya organization haga khat santarek jimmang arjar psaw kala play pat ba ya ka Miss Universe Meghalaya arjar psaw haga jingalang ka blapen long havivanta Shillong ya ka nilawan ban play documentary bari khmi ya katanat kam jungo kai prathai uba polling do haringkat ka jingadon lang u commissioner secretary katanat arts and culture uba FR khar kongor u managing director of marketing ka Miss Universe u Amjad Khan nalor ki weipan Haba ajing kerana kani kasngi ba polling do ulapan slore ki Samla bakin pen I la ki sap ka baki dan la ka long ha kanu kanu ka liang ba ulapan paru ka jing ang not baki riam tan rai ki bana ka jella kin yo ji itu ru na ki wei ki jella
Let's give a big round of applause. Come on, a huge round of applause.
As Minister of Arts and Culture, you represent what I would call our cultural ambassadors, as beauty queens, as people who walk the ramp, not only within this country but also abroad. And as Minister in charge of tourism, this is one very important aspect of tourism here in Meghalaya. Our soft skills in music and the fine arts, and also as Minister in charge of sericulture and weaving, we have a plethora of our own indigenously crafted dresses and fabrics, which I think it is high time for you to take to the rest of the world. There is a saying in Khasi, Kambyang ban shuyapan, kakambyang banyai. It is not sufficient to borrow. It is also, in fact, it is more important to give. Let the rest of the world be mesmerized, be enchanted by the wealth of our textiles. In the nook and corners of Kyrwoh district, for instance, we have mostly women who have spent, and today they are in the second and third generation, weaving patterns on the fabric. But most of these are not even known by many here in the capital city of Shillong. We need to take those fabrics to the rest of India, to the rest of the world. Whatever can be said about Shillong, Meghalaya, the drawbacks, the fault lines, the inadequacies, one thing that should stand out is the fact that women here are respected and are looked upon with a lot of goodwill by society all around. And this is something that is a major USP for Meghalaya. And we would like to see that more of our models, more of our actors, more of our playwriters, more of our whoever are engaged in the various arts and crafts also hone their skills to be original. I would like to see a point of time where we not only call Shillong the Scotland of the East, we would also like to see a point of time where Edinburgh should be called the Shillong of the West. And that should be the aim upon each one of you. I've seen, I've noticed, I am a music buff myself. I know the capacity of our young people, their potential. They can outdo Whitney Houston or Taylor Swift at any point of time. All they need is originality. Please begin to write your own stuff. Do not be known as Shakira of Shillong, blah, blah, blah. Not good enough. Please come up with a branding of your own, which will people will turn to you and say, yes, this guy, this band has gone beyond covering others.
Kumno ba Raju?
Kumne kong, ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jam baro.
Hoi ki biang lor.
Ai kira shon jong menta ubnai.
Hoi ta.
Ba? Ukau iu unia.
Kong undi udai ukau plus F, ukau fortified.
Ukau 45? Henry ba? Ukau 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya pher ayu. Uto ukau ba ai barabor umdai ubabha.
Kong, kini ki jingbam ki bangi juba man kasngi, ki kta ya ka kot ka khia ka jongi. Manta ngi dei ban sngau tu hi ba ki jingbam ki bangi bam ki long ni em ki batei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ladangi bam ki jingbam ki bomtei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ila ban yo ya ka jingpang dunas nam bat ka jing bria ki kman.
Henry ba uni ukau 45 udan jinga dei kumno.
Yo iya ki jingtei ya ka met ka phat ka jongi. Nak jingbam ka bangi bam man la kasngi kum ka iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ke jingduna jongkine ngengat hagi babun ki jajingpa ka sarkar ka persangkat bala banwanra ya ka koj ka khia. Ka FSSAI ka batha bau khau ata kamlu kadut bat ke ompnyang bam. Ki dei bandon ya ke jingbam ki bantei ya kamet. Knang baha ka shisngi ngila banyo laipo hadu sanpo persen kini ki jingbam bantei ya kamet. But lai kerteng yaki 45 ila banitu yaki da ka sharp plus F haki.
Ba uni ujing bam plus F pat ngila ban yo ne eh.
Nang ni kong nagani ka daw ka sarkar kalapan mi yaki skim ICDS, MDM, PDS kabha na ka banta upaj ba. Ka sarkar mi kalamang kerpang ha ka jingi trelang bat kidukan da ka ba kilapha da ukhau ba bhatam na ka banta ki khna bat kilong kimi ki ba armen. Dei na kata daw patang da uni ujat khau ba bhatam ban sam shabaro kilong yeng. Nang ni shakman. Tang da ukhau fortified.
Ba fikran ya ka jing shisha.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.